Hi, I'm Todd Giles with Campus Enforcement and Patrol. I'm here to talk to you about parking on Grenfell campus. With the recent changes to parking on campus, we want to fill you in on the process for applying for a parking permit and parking regulations. To apply for a permit, visit grenfell.mun.ca/parking to access the permit forms. There are forms for students in each semester, one for those students who are living on campus and one for those who live off campus, and forms for employees. Download the applicable form and submit it to AS280 or email dpike@grenfell.mun.ca. Students, please note that the deadline for the student lottery during each semester. Parking permits must be clearly displayed in the front windshield of the vehicle, located at the top center of the windshield immediately below the rear view mirror. You can park in designated areas only, in accordance with the signs for each area. Parking is not permitted on campus roadways, loading zones, fire zones, traffic lanes, within parking lots, drop-off points, or otherwise indicated by signs. From November 1st to April 30th, between midnight and 5:30 a.m. daily, overnight parking on campus is allowed in red zones only, and still require valid permits. All visitors to campus can use the Passport Canada parking app and park in the circle roundabout in the front of the Arts and Science extension. Select Zone 140 and follow the instructions on the app. The parking rate is $1.50 per hour. We monitor the parking lots on campus to ensure permit compliance, proper parking etiquette, and visitor parking. Any person in violation of parking regulations will be subject to a ticket, even towing, and impoundment. If you have any questions regarding parking, please contact the Campus Enforcement Office.